God is telling you that everything will be great today. Feel grateful and blissful because you will soon reap the rewards of becoming a better person. You have already evaluated your prior lesson, which helped you greatly to better understand yourself, life, and the people around you. Accept that there will never be a perfect life, but that's what makes it exciting because it teaches you to begin growing yourself and building a better life for yourself. Your destiny is now perfectly aligning for your purpose and work for the universe, because you are creating a powerful energy that radiates your positivity in everything around you. Your angels are always guiding you and telling you to never give up on your goals. Keep fighting for your dreams with tenacity and dedication. Fight for your dreams with strength and determination. Because they are unable to see the big picture, a lot of people eventually lose faith. Have faith that your angels want you to never make the same mistakes that other people did. By only moving forward from this day forward, you will have the ability to learn from the mistakes of others. You should believe of yourself as a powerful person. Only a select few people obtain the wisdom and intuition needed to communicate with the heavenly realm. You have the power to communicate with others telepathically and to forward messages to them using words you hear. Keep that power in mind because it is precisely that which makes you unique. Never copy what other people have done because you can do it better. Going slowly and steadily is perfectly acceptable because God and the universe above are guiding you as you travel. The universe is aware that your angels are looking out for you. You have the opportunity to claim the things you never had because you are at the perfect setting, maturity level, and point in time. If you are single, your love life is going to start to look beautiful soon. The universe will send you a reliable person who you can claim is the one who is meant for you, even though it may not be in your mind. Even if you find it difficult to believe what they are saying, pay closer attention. Ask them what they need and want from you by being honest. Get ready for your person to love you endlessly and without conditions.